Chase is on the case. Who's that? Peppa Pig. And who's that? Paddington. Paddington Bear. Have a look at your card. Who's a special boy at Easter? Is it Peter Rabbit? Daddy got Peter Rabbit.
What's in here, Eggie?
The Easter Bunny left some eggs.
You got some chocolate, some more eggs.
Wow, look at the Easter Bunny. So we've come on a walk. James has decided to push Noah in the buggy all the way through the mud, and it's stressing me out. We found pigs. I don't know if I can you see any more over that side? No. Just this one. Oh my god, there's more pigs. We're on the muddiest walk ever, but we found so many pigs. There's some really cute little mini ones over there, like micro ones, but you can't see them. And then there's bigger ones. Oh my god, now we found chickens and ducks.
No, you need to wake up, mate.
I can't cope. Oh, let me go here. Hello. Found a little river. What river is it? Do you think it links up with River Flit? All the way up and round in the woods, I do not lie. I'm knackered. Oh, this is cute. Another hill, just to add to the collection of hills and mud. I think we're nearly there. So we live really close to Centre Parks, and there's like a massive walkway the whole way round. but I didn't realise how long it was, how muddy and how hilly. And I've got vertigo, I'm dizzy, and my C-section is burning. It's actually not funny anymore. My C-section is burning. I feel like, so I've not actually done a video about my birth story, but towards the end of pregnancy, Noah was like head down for a very long time, and every time I was trying to walk, I felt so much pressure where his head was, and I literally feel like that right now. And like my scar is burning, but the amount of mud is a bit of a joke. Like how I'm actually baffled, and it's really pissed me off because Noah's in his pram and it wasn't cheap, and it's just very, very muddy and needs a good clean. I'm in UGG boots, James is in white trainers. But what a lovely walk. Yeah, look, there's Centre Park's just there. So we just basically have a path that goes round the whole forest bit next to the fence, which is really nice. We've never done this walk before, but oh no, you can't go through it. You can't go under it. You're gonna have to go over it.
Oh.
We made it, we made it, we made it, made it, made it.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
And who's Tweedledee?
Very Tweedledum.
Who am I?
And who am I?
Tweedledee.
Yes, Tweedledum.
I feel like all of this has happened before.
Yeah, you're right, it has, hasn't it? I feel like I'm going round and round with a loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop. No, look at it.
Stuck on you, I don't know what's going on.
Go, 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 go. Go.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
On chamomile, peppermint, herbal fruit, and
Killed it.
I didn't hear any of them.
let me say it again. We've got Twining, Tetley, Thai food, peachy chip, tea, pigs, English breakfast, Earl Grey, Lady Grey, green tea, black tea, chai tea, lamb tang, douchong, peppermint, chamomile, herbal tea, fruit tea.
I've killed it.
Again, pick down. It's enough to make you mad.
Give me love.